for watching Lex TV. If this is your first time joining, welcome. So today I am going to do a deep conditioning situation. I'm going to use the Camille Rose Buriti Nectar Repair. I've used this before one time and I was in love, okay, because it's a cholesterol treatment and it took me back to my cholesterol days. My hair was super moisturized, and clearly I need the moisture because the shampoo that I use, the 10-in-1 Renewal by Shea Moisture, it kind of dried my hair out and I forgot that it has protein in it. So this would be the reason why my hair is looking the way that it is, okay? Y'all, it's still early. My eyes are still puffy. Everybody's still asleep, so I'm trying not to talk too loud. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get into the video. But first, I want to add some olive oil. I almost always add olive oil to a lot of my deep conditioners because I want to get the max amount of moisture that my hair could possibly give me, okay? So, or that this treatment could possibly give me, okay? So the extra virgin olive oil that I'm going to use is, it's a cold press. So I'm hoping that means some real good stuff because usually the cold press stuff is the best stuff right now anyway, until something else comes out. But so I'm gonna pour just a little. You don't need too much. I'd say maybe like a half a teaspoon. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it. Then I'm gonna mix it with my finger. I didn't bring anything over to mix with, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So mix. My hair is not soaking wet, but it is wet enough to drip on my shirt. So grab a bit of conditioner and put it over rub it in my hands and put it over my entire head first to kind of loosen my hair up because it's stiff, okay? So now the shampoo I use it's color safe. So that's the reason why I probably picked it up to use it this morning. Usually it doesn't do my hair like this, but I guess my hair is just like filled with protein or something. I don't know. But lately I've been trying to use moisturizing, more moisture-filled deep conditioners because I want to maximize the amount of moisture in my hair. Because I feel like my curls pop, well, obviously my curls pop a lot more with moisture. Alright, so now that my hair is a bit looser, I'm going to go ahead and start. Now this Camille Rose conditioner, I think it's a fairly new, or I should say treatment, I'm going to say, because it's called a cholesterol treatment. But it's, I believe it's fairly new by Camille Rose. I purchased it from Sally's. I'm not sure how much it cost. I can put the cost in the description below. But I think it was somewhere like around $16.99 or $15.99, something like that. Like I said, I don't recall exactly how much it was, but it wasn't on the cheap end for an, how many ounces is this? Eight ounce. It was not necessarily cheap for an 8-ounce container, but I'm only 2 treatments in, and I would say that it's not too bad, because I only used about that much. Can you see? I only used about that much, so it's not even halfway done yet. And like I said, I'm 2 treatments in, so, and when I use this stuff, I am pretty generous because I want to get all my money's worth out of this product. But at the same time, I do want to get I want to moisten each and every one of my strands. That's what I'm trying to say. It's early, y'all. It's still early. It just hit like 7 o'clock, which means it's time for me to get my kids up and get them ready for school. So I will come back after I let this sit in my hair for about 45 minutes and let you see the final results of this cholesterol treatment. Okay, with a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit. But I'll be right back and let you see the final results of this deep conditioning treatment, and you guys can let me know what you think. Be right back. Y'all, I am back. I think I left this in for about 2 hours, I think. What time is it? I lied. Yeah, no. This has been about, I left this in for about 2 hours. I tied it up and so that heat can get this stuff to saturate and whatnot, my natural heat. Anyway, so this is how juicy. So juicy. Y'all saw what it looked like before. It wasn't juicy. But this juicy. So I'll take it. I am going to go and wash this out, and I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like after I wash it out. But I like. Not sure what I'm gonna do with my hair yet today, but I will show you what this deep conditioning treatment looked like. But anyway, so I'm gonna wash it out. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, this is how it looks after I rinsed it out. The treatment, rinsed it out. Looks like I have very little in the front, which is fine. I'll just rinse it out once I figure out what I want to do to my hair, because I don't know if it needs to be soaking wet or kind of dry. So anyway, I just wanted to come back and let you see what it looked like afterwards. And you know, honestly, I think it did give me some moisture considering how my hair looked before I even put it in. My hair was super dry from that shampoo, but or stiff. I shouldn't say dry. It was super stiff, aka dry. Anyway, so this is how it looks after I rinse the treatment out. It's very soft. I didn't use a lot of it to get the softness, and it feels like I have some moisture here too. I think I've had better. I feel like I compare all like all the product that's meant to give you like an extreme amount of moisture. I compare everything to to Miche Beauty. Miele is good too. Don't sleep on Miele, but Miche Beauty, because for me that was probably the product that got my hair moisturized the absolute most, aside from the Aztec clay mask, but that's not a conditioner, so it's neither here nor there. Anyway, so again, this was the Camille Rose Buriti Nectar repair treatment. It's a cholesterol treatment. If you remember back in the day, I don't know if you guys used to use the cholesterol, but I did. So this definitely put me in the mind of cholesterol treatment, and I don't know if I would buy it at regular price again. I might if I'm gonna pay regular price, if I'm gonna pay this price, I might as well just order Miche Beauty's deep conditioning treatment, the moisture treatment. But anyway, I think it was okay. I mixed it with the extra virgin olive oil this time. Well, I mixed a half a teaspoon into here before applying. The first time I did it, and I feel like I got the same results, so I can't say that it made a difference. But this is it. So you guys let me know what you think in the comment section below. I thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and you guys have a nice one. Bye.